Here we go, we're on the gas. You know, the great thing about natural gas is that it's supplied to the southwest businesses and homes, including the Perth metro area, at about half the cost of grid-supplied electricity. And one of the things I love about gas is if there's a power outage, you can still keep on cooking. And the other thing is that I like it because you can see the flames.
I love an open flame.
Right.
And we're certainly cooking with gas right now, Trev. So let's keep going, I reckon.
What are we doing? We've got a bit of a boil going straight away.
We'll take the lid off and I'll throw in the asparagus.
Yeah. So you're just basically blanching it. You're not overcooking it.
No. And then I'll just drain it. Perfect.
All right.
So what I do is you got your peas and your asparagus. You throw that in with the spring onion and the mint.
Yeah.
And I'll just do a little bit of pepper. And so I feel like when you sort of mix, like when you put the heat onto the mint and the spring onion, it brings out more of that flavour.
Does.
So I've got my muffin tray here.
Yeah.
And what I've done is I've just used, this is baking paper, cut them up in squares, just try to, it's a bit fiddly, but you just squeeze them in.
So the veggies are just going straight?
Yep, straight in.
Oh.
We have some feta cheese here as well.
Yeah.
So about 65 grams, but I've just cubed them up, or you can break them up as well.
Yeah.
So I just pop them on top. So next we have to do the eggs.
Okay.
It doesn't become a frittata without the eggs, of course. So 6 eggs.
All right.
Right, okay.
We
so we just beat them up. Pop the eggs in here just so it's easy to pour into.
So it's literally straight in over the top?
Yeah, over the top.
And it's not a huge amount, by the way.
No, so I go bit by bit just to make sure that it's, you know, got to share the love.
All right.
I think that's pretty much...
Just about got it all in.
Oh, there.
Is this going to go into the oven now?
Into the oven, please.
All right, so how long are they going to be in for?
In for about 20 minutes, or you can see they're a bit golden on the top.
Smells pretty good. Let's have a look, Trace.
Brilliant. Brilliant.
All right, up here.
Great. I think they're pretty good.
Okay.
Might steal this one here. Ooh.
Now, it's always this moment of risk,
Yes,
right? You don't know, did it work?
Especially with the frittatas, they need to be quite firm.
Let's test this. Look, yes! Look at that!
You can see all the peas.
Look at that!
And the asparagus in there. Actually, you can smell the mint coming as soon as I hear it.
Tracy, that's amazing.
Give it a go.
Whilst I'm tasting it, and I'm going to make you talk and eat as well.
Sure.
I want you to talk to us about your charity. So every week on this show, we're giving $1,500 to our special guest's favourite charity. And you've got a really important one, haven't you?
I do. I've been involved with Ocean Heroes for the last 2 or 3 years. They're all surfers, but they realised they wanted to pass on, you know, the enjoyment and fulfilment of surfing to kids, children living on the spectrum with autism.
Wow.
So they do one-on-one lessons, so they take the kids out for an hour or so. I think just seeing the joy in the children's faces, but also the relief from the parents, and the joy it brings them to see their children so happy, and it's just that instantaneous fulfillment, you know what I mean? And what these boys have shown us as well is that they've given up their time. They volunteer every single time for these kids, and the joy that brings them as well, it's really heartwarming to see. So that's my chosen charity.
It's giving the love back, and that is fantastic. The real test, of course, is how it tastes. And you got to go, Trace. You should be so happy with this. It's great. It's got texture, it's crunchy.
What I love about this is you can still taste the asparagus, you can still taste the pea and the mint individually, but inside with the egg, and like it's, again, you open it up, it's almost like a bit of a, you know, a reveal, bit of artwork in a frittata muffin.
It is.
And you can even pair it up with a salad.
What we've achieved here is going to be something that when people replicate this at home, and I'm sure they will in big numbers, they're going to go, yes.
Hopefully.
You did well.
Enjoy, everyone.